In this tutorial, we'll show you how to delete multiple Facebook posts at once. If you find this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Over time, you might have shared a lot of posts on Facebook, and now you may want to clean up your profile by removing several posts at once. Let's get started. First, go to your Facebook profile. Depending on your device, you'll either find the menu button at the bottom right or top right. Once you're in the menu, tap on your profile at the top to open it. Now you can delete posts one by tapping the three dots next to a post and selecting Move to Trash. However, to delete multiple posts at once, just below the What's on Your Mind section, tap on Manage Posts. From here, you can begin selecting the posts you'd like to remove. You can select up to 50 posts at a time. After selecting, tap Next at the bottom of the screen. You'll now see the option to delete the posts. Simply tap Delete Posts and confirm your choice by pressing Delete Posts again. This will delete the selected posts in bulk, making the process much quicker. And that's it! It's really that easy to delete multiple posts. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.